This is the first summer that I can remember since I've been here, and this is my 7th summer here, that we haven't had to remove one single sprinkler head because of shells. And it was really just a very labor-intensive procedure for us to take the heads apart, the internals, and clean them out. I mean, we're getting a lot of growth, which is always a good problem to have. So we were able to pull one of our irrigation guys off and put him on a mower. So, I mean, if I had to have a problem, that's the one I want, where I got to mow grass, you know, because if it's not growing, then that's when we have issues. And we're definitely growing out here for sure. We had black layer on one green. Every year it's kind of in a shaded area, not a lot of good air circulation there, and so we were applying a lot of wetting agents there, and a couple of other areas that we had issues in. We haven't bought any wetting agents this year. I mean, my sales guys are not real happy about that, but I mean, I've told them, I said I don't need it, you know, I don't have to buy it. So the black layer is gone. Along with the fairy ring. We had a lot of fairy ring issues here before, and I haven't seen fairy ring on any part of the golf course this year. Every year I'd been here, and like I said before, this is my 7th year here, we've had to do a lot of sod work especially around the greens. And you know, you can't argue with the results. We didn't have to sod any of these areas this year and stuff, so I mean, that's just a really awesome thing when we don't have to start buying truckloads of sod and have pull our guys off mowers and putting them on the sod cutter. And so even my guys are blown away. They were very skeptical at the beginning, but now they're believers, and so am I. Oh, it's definitely making an impact, no question about it. And it's something that we're gonna stay on and keep doing, because I've never seen anything like it. And my guys say if they ever deal with shells again, they'll quit.